Good day, students. Today we will learn about the area. What is area? Area is concerned with the most fundamental notion called squares. Squares are reflecting in the units used to measure or describe the area. A square whose side length is 1 unit is always 1 square unit. For the case of squares and rectangles, the area is easy to determine because such polygons have 4 sides. And by multiplying the length by the width, and the area is easily solved. Let's take a look at our first example. This is 1 square unit. Let's take a look at our second example. If you have this flat surface, how many square units do you need? Feel it, this one should be 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of these units is 4 square units. Our third example, let's find the area of this rectangle. So we have 3 going across. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. Going down, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So the area of this rectangle has 12 units. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this rectangle has 12 square units. We could do the length times the width. Length times the width. And if we do the length times the width, and it's the full shape and doesn't have any indentations or like U shape, it's a full shape, and this we can do length times the width. So let's look at the example for number 4. Let's find the area. How many boxes or squares are going across? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 across, and going down we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So the area of this square has 25 square units. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So the area of this square has 25 square units. Now let's take a look at this example for number 5. It's not the same as the example of number 4 because it's an odd shape. Now what we could do is we will break it into small pieces and do the length and width on this one. So across we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7, and going down 1, 2. We have 2. So 7 times 2 equals 14. So we got 14. Now let's check this. We will break this. Let's check a crust. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4. Going down, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So we have 16 here. Put here. And then going here at the bottom, we will check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. 5. So we have 5 across, and then going down we have 1, 2. So 5 times 2 equals 10. So we have 10 here. So we're going to add this, and this 3. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Carry 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 4 units. This odd shape has 40 square units. Now let's check the example for number 6. Without the lines figured out, how many square units are in this example number 6? Can you figure it out? How many do you think are in this section right here? Can you see how many you think might be in this example? In this example, there is 4 inside of here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 inside. In here we have 1, 2, 3 across. 3. Going down we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So the area of this shape is 16 square unit. And that is our lesson for today. Thank you and have a nice day.